All right. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another episode of how I made money day trading options. So if you look to the left, you see the tickers that I traded. One being Tempest AI, the ticker's TEM. The other one is Amazon, AMZN. Now, the Tempest trade, I bought 10 contracts at $3.15. And I sold the same 10 contracts for $3.45. Now, if you look to the right, you see the timestamp. I bought them at 9:37 a.m. and I sold them at 9:52. So that's around about 15 minutes or so, a little less. Now, the Amazon, that's a covered call. I sold that contract for about $3.50, I believe it was, and I bought it back for 5 cents. Now, we're going to check the results of these trades. Bam! Now, this is the Tempest trade, ticker TM. Made $300 in about 12 minutes. And you can also see that this is real-time trading. You see the numbers fluctuating because the market is open. This is in real time that you're seeing this. Next, I'm going to show the Amazon. Bam! Once again, $277.50. That's how much I made off the Amazon cover call. And as you see here again, this is in real time. You see the numbers fluctuating. See that price action? Now, if I added value and you like what you saw, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and all that. And until the next video, peace.